G'day guys, it's John from the productivegarden.com, and I'm obviously, the way I'm dressed, I'm going to be checking the beehive again. Now, all I'm wanting to check now is just the top honey super, which is the top box, just to see what sort of honey supplies they've got in there. So, first thing I need to do is just give them a bit of smoke, just to help them calm down. Okay, and you'll probably notice too that I'm dressed a lot more appropriately compared to what I was last time. So we'll undo the M clip, just leave that down in front so I don't step on it. Undo the clips off the boxes. Rightio. Now I'll just got to use the Hive tool just to crack the box. It wasn't too badly stuck down there. Okay, let's put some smoke in there. Okay, we'll let that do its work for a little while. Okay, so what I'm just wanting to check is how much honey is up in the top honey super here. Okay, so that should be right. So there's a whole lot of bees up the top here. They're obviously placing honey where it needs to go. Okay, so we'll just look at the centrifuge first. Actually, I can see from here, it looks like they've got a lot of capped honey in here. So I'll need that. That's not the one I loosened. This one here. Okay, so I've got that one. And this one here. Actually, so I'll just get you to zoom in on that. You can see there we've got capped honey. Just put that gently down there. Move out of the way, little bees. Okay, so you can see here, it's all where honey's been capped. A lot of the cells have been emptied, but there's still a lot of capped stuff there. And on the other side, a bit of capped honey as well. So there's a lot of empty cells, but they're obviously starting to move this honey down into the bottom part of the hive. So I'll put that one back. Okay, I'll get this other middle one out. So there, a bit of capped honey again, but a lot of the cells up the top here are empty. Capped honey in the middle, bit of honey in the middle there, but I would say that they're actually looking to consolidate a lot of this down into the brood box. Okay, I'll just remove a couple more frames. I don't think we need to go through the whole lot. They look like they're getting a little bit stirred up. Okay, so this frame, it's got a lot of like uncapped honey in it, a lot of sticky honey. These were frames that were the honey was extracted from them, so they're called stickies. They had the honey taken out of them. So there's still a lot of honey to be taken out of that. Alright, just give them a little bit of smoke. Rightio, we'll do just this last one here. Right, this one here again, capped honey along here, and the rest of the cells are pretty much empty. There's actually a bit of nectar in these cells. Looks like it's only pretty new. It still looks very watery. Capped honey on the other side with maybe a nectar as well. So that's that one. Okay, let's just do a couple more. I won't do the very end ones. Do this one. Alright, this one here, a lot of capped honey, and it looks like, I don't know what they're doing there. It looks like they're robbing a whole lot of honey. Must be pretty good stuff there, all down the bottom here. And on the other side, they're all there, a lot of capped honey, and they're all in there getting the honey out to draw it down into the bottom box. So I'll just take out now just the second last frame on the other side. And they're not real happy, so we'll just do this one. Okay, again, some sort of capped honey. This is another one of the stickies. You can see there's a whole lot of honey in there still. So yeah, they've got a fair bit in there. Some capped, some not capped. So lower this down. Rightio, we'll pack them up now. I think my smoke has gone out. They'll still get the smell out of it. Okay, put this on. And they'll settle down pretty quickly now that the lid's back on. And put the M clip back on. Sorry bees, being a bit loud there. I think that's unwound a bit. Rightio, and the clip back on and the bees all packed up. So yeah, that was just checking to see how much honey they've got. It's the end of May here, which is the end of autumn, and so winter's just about to start. So they've got a bit of capped honey still in the top there, and they've got a whole lot of nectar and stuff to bring down to the bottom. So they should be reasonably well set for winter. I'll see what the more knowledgeable people about bees think of that. Anyway, that's it for now, and until next time, happy productive gardening. Bye.